Welcome to Liliw in Laguna, and welcome to Anthron Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. Introduction. Nestled at the base of the renowned Mount Banahaw, Liliw boasts an agricultural landscape that serves as a fitting backdrop to its charming and enigmatic streets. Mount Banahaw is considered a sacred and mystical mountain with a rich cultural and religious history. One legend revolves around the mountain being the dwelling place of spiritual beings, commonly referred to as diwatas or fairy-like entities. According to local folklore, these diwatas inhabit the sacred slopes of Mount Banahaw, and the mountain is believed to be a portal connecting the earthly realm to the divine. The legend also tells of the mountain as a place of healing and purification. Pilgrims and devotees often embark on journeys to the mountain, engaging in rituals and practices to cleanse their spirits and seek blessings from the diwatas. Additionally, Mount Banahaw is regarded as a sacred site by various religious groups in the Philippines. Over the years, it has become a destination for pilgrimages and religious gatherings. Today, the mountain is part of the Mount Banahaw-San Cristobal Protected Landscape, established to conserve its natural resources and promote sustainable tourism. Laguna is home to several indigenous peoples whose rich cultural heritage contributes to the diversity of the province. While the majority of the population in Laguna consists of Tagalog-speaking communities, there are indigenous groups that have retained their distinct languages, traditions, and ways of life, such as the Tagbanwa, Bukidnon, Alangan Manyan, and Tumandok. Present-day Liliw was established on August 29, 1571 by Gat Tayaw. Legend has it that the town derived its name from a bird. According to the tale, Gat Tayaw and his followers erected a bamboo pole, intending to name the town after the bird that would land at the top within 4 days. Surprisingly, a crow was the first bird to alight on the pole, which was considered inauspicious. Consequently, Gat Tayaw and his group relocated south and set up another bamboo pole. This time, a splendid bird landed on the pole and sang, "Liw, liw, liw." Thus, the town acquired the name Liliw. This narrative finds support in the initial Tagalog dictionary authored by Father San Buenaventura in 1613. Under the entry Lilyo, it is noted as a type of bird, from which the town in Laguna under the Franciscan monks is named after. On June 11, 1965, the town's name, previously spelled as Lilyo, underwent a change. The municipal council officially declared Liliw as the town's name and spelling. Today, Liliw continues to be renowned for its vibrant and thriving footwear industry. This industry has played a significant role in the local economy, and the town continues to gain recognition for its quality handmade footwear.